Hey, welcome back. Just wanted to do a quick video on the importance of checking out your neighborhood. So I am here and I can't show you this, but I I did put my sign up. Um, People are checking out my sign. So I put my sign up, Acme Live Scan and Notary in front of my door. And the reason why I did that is because two doors down, they're selling this house. And so if you're a smart notary, you go over there during the open house and hand out your cards to the agent that's over there. I tried to do that on Saturday, but with this, COVID mumbo jumbo that happens, you have to take off your shoes, you have to wear a mask, do all this garbage just to get in the house. And my neighbor who was checking it out, they rent next door to me. They decided to go at the same time I did. So I just say, okay, yeah, go check out the house. And I didn't ever get back there. But just keep that in mind. As a notary, you can go essentially window shopping for houses every weekend and go into a bunch of houses and just hit up the agent in each house. Sometimes there's agents, sometimes there's the agent representative, those people that are not licensed, that they just stand there and collect information. They can't tell you anything. Usually they have an agent there at the open house, but sometimes you'll run into occasions when you have like both, like I think it's called like a PR person. They can't do anything other than take your information. They can't tell you anything about the house. If you said, "Hey, how old is this house?" They're like, "Oh yeah, let me get the agent to tell you," because they can't tell you anything because they're not licensed. So anyway, that's something that you can think about doing if you want to uh, go around your neighborhood and well, not necessarily your neighborhood, but whatever area you want to work and go visit houses. If you're looking for a house yourself, you can do two things at once. So that's what I wanted to share. Trying to get in with my neighborhood. Unfortunately, the agent that is listing that house is somebody that is, I think they're up in, well, they have a Napa area code. So I'm like, yeah, I mean, I can make friends with them and try and get in there, but it's not somebody local, is I guess what I'm saying. So anyway, hopefully, no, I'm waiting for an appointment. So hopefully they'll show up. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you and have a great day.